Bandera salad.
Bacon frites.
With kale salad?
Yep.
The size of the kale
Yeah,
salad.
I can't believe they gave me that much.
You can both have the cheddar burger with fries. Lemon water.
Little thing. That one was little.
Not the same one though,
How do you know?
because we're too far.
Well, that's smaller, I think.
It's smaller.
A little
That's
smaller.
out of sight, also scarier. Oh,
Don't
these
scare it.
cheeses.
He's looking for some Alpo.
Like,
Oh boy.
boy, they can sure run.
Yeah, of course. Ambulance, fire truck. Somebody sick or hurt?
12. A Marine Support Unit, what the?
Flashing. De-icing in progress.
It's not, but it's only,
De-icing trolleys do not.
I see, but it's not gonna freeze much, tiny little bit. That won't make any difference, will it?
Well, it has been, we're getting into our coldest weather of the year. Seems like it's a month early. I know I have my heater on a higher setting lately. Got on medium.
I've never seen that before, have you?
Nope, never see that. Yeah, de-icing is what it is.
I see.